Hey guys, it is now week 18. So this week you will be graphing tangent. So if you open up the week 18 folder, you're going to notice that you have a video to watch, and then you have tangent notes that you can copy onto your notebook or print or just write down important notes that you find in this document. And then you have assignment 30, graphing tan. It is only 7 questions, I believe. So you have the entire week to do these assignments. I understand that the majority of our class will be taking their AP US History exam on Wednesday, so I will alter the Zoom schedule for this week. So this week I will only have a 2 o'clock Zoom on Wednesday, and I will have a 1 o'clock Zoom on Thursday. So you can log on to Thursday's Zoom if you are a junior and you're taking the exam on Wednesday. If not, hopefully the tangent notes help to complete the assignment. So good luck on your exam, juniors. And just a side note, the Communities for a Better Environment established a financial and resource aid for families. There is a bit.ly on this picture where you can go for additional information or to apply for the fund. So remember, this is not affiliated with HPIM. So take advantage of it if you or your family needs it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys either Wednesday or Thursday. Good luck on the AP US History exam.